Hi everyone, welcome back to CarOG 765. If you're passionate about classic American vehicles, vintage SUVs, and timeless automotive history, you've come to the right place. Today, we're taking a closer look at the legendary 1966 GMC Suburban, a vehicle that combined rugged capability, family comfort, and dependable performance long before modern SUVs became popular. If you enjoy classic vehicle content like this, don't forget to subscribe to CarOG 765 and turn on notifications for more amazing automotive stories. The 1966 GMC Suburban represents an era when vehicles were built with strength, simplicity, and durability in mind. It wasn't designed to impress with flashy technology or luxury features. Instead, it was created to handle real work while comfortably carrying large families or groups of passengers. Whether driving through rural America, transporting equipment, or heading out on a camping adventure, the Suburban proved it could do almost anything. One of the first things you'll notice about the 1966 GMC Suburban is its bold and timeless styling. The large chrome grille, round headlights, wide body, and clean body lines give it a classic American appearance that still attracts attention today. The long roofline and large windows provide excellent visibility while giving the vehicle a unique profile that has become iconic among collectors. Inside the cabin, everything was designed with practicality in mind. The spacious interior could accommodate several passengers with ease, making it one of the most family-friendly vehicles of its time. The seats were comfortable, controls were simple, and the dashboard was easy to understand. Unlike many modern vehicles filled with electronic screens, the 1966 Suburban offered a straightforward driving experience where reliability mattered most. Under the hood, buyers had several engine choices, including dependable inline-six engines and powerful V8 options. These engines delivered plenty of torque, making the Suburban capable of hauling trailers, carrying heavy loads, and handling rough roads without difficulty. The smooth transmission and durable drivetrain made it a trusted companion for farmers, contractors, emergency services, and growing families alike. One of the biggest strengths of the 1966 GMC Suburban was its versatility. It wasn't just a work vehicle or just a family wagon, it successfully combined both roles. Owners could use it during the week for business and on weekends for vacations, fishing trips, or camping adventures. This flexibility helped establish the Suburban as one of America's most respected utility vehicles. The suspension was built to handle rough terrain while still providing a comfortable ride on highways. Strong construction and a solid frame gave drivers confidence even when carrying heavy cargo. Its durability became legendary, and many examples have survived for decades because of their simple mechanical design and strong engineering. Today, the 1966 GMC Suburban has become highly desirable among classic vehicle enthusiasts and collectors. Restored models often appear at classic car shows, auctions, and vintage automotive events across the United States. Many owners carefully preserve their Suburbans because they represent an important chapter in American automotive history and continue to demonstrate exceptional craftsmanship. Even after nearly 60 years, the 1966 GMC Suburban remains a symbol of reliability, hard work, and adventure. Its classic styling, dependable engines, spacious interior, and rugged capability continue to inspire admiration from enthusiasts around the world. It reminds us of a time when vehicles were built to last for generations. Thank you for watching this video on CarOG 765. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible 1966 GMC Suburban, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow classic vehicle enthusiasts. Let us know in the comments whether you would restore one, drive one, or add it to your dream garage. We'll see you in the next classic automotive adventure.